Nah, this
Gotta go
Y'all
get my
so
bubble
bad.
suit. Oh my God, she doing bad.
Yo, you gotta take a break of that phone.
Let me hit Mr. West, 'cause y'all, I can't hear.
Yeah, take these two antibiotics.
Thank you, Angel.
Bro, there's no finest stop rapping.
I can't hear you. You breaking up. Okay, thank you. Done. Okay, thank you. I think it's from coming in contact with too many people. Like I'm used to the inside world. I've been outside, so going to them stores more and stuff like that. All right, take your time. Say it again. I couldn't hear. I'm sorry. I've been feeling bad for like 3 days now. Tomorrow makes 4 days. I'll take the Tylenol. Yeah. Yeah. All right, bet.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sick. I think it's for being in the outside world. I done been in them stores too many times and it just got to me. Take your time. How's it going, Peach?
Girl, I'm from retire. Fuck this job.
Nah, why you finna retire?
I'm waiting for the new faction.
Oh, you wanna go to another faction?
So what's wrong with you? Why you don't feel good?
Huh?
So what's wrong with you? Why you don't feel good?
I think I got a fever or something. My head hurt, my throat, and my nose.
So who you been kissing on?
Nobody.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. All right, bet. So what shot did I just take? Is that for like COVID or something? Cause if I ain't take that shot, can I please get that shot? And I need one for the other one. What's that other one called? You know that other thing? Yeah, I want both of those. Yeah, got it. Okay, take your time. What you say, Peach?
Don't say nothing.
You ended off on something. I forgot.
Nothing. Did you liquidate your cars?
Nah, I just got a new car though.
Me too.
Hey, congratulations. I've been working that goddamn delivery job since I updated. Like, I get paid a lot. All right, let me prepare. Whew, all right, hit me with it, Doc. Hit me with that shit.
You can hold my hand.
All right, bet. Do I get like a lollipop? Like, can I get a lollipop? Hey, thank you.
Not a. I want one. Give me one.
Got it, Doc. You got it. I
That's
would
like
try. I
stupid.
would try. Well, Peach need to stay. Why Peach trying to retire?
Girl, I don't talk about that stupid shit. Okay,
Yeah,
until the faction come, I stay with a job. I'm just here to collect a check and do what I gotta do. At this point,
I knew she wasn't going nowhere. She like her job too much.
no, I like my money too much. Fuck this job now.
Oh man, I
They
wish you did
did?
this soon. That's what's up.
Wait, why?
All right, that's cool with me. Is it anything I can get from the store that'll help me? Like, what you think I should get?
It's your humidifier.
All right, bet, got it. Y'all stay safe and dangerous. Tomorrow. Peace out, ladies.